Hi, it's Joy Meyer with IDS DFW chapter, and I am so excited. I am here today with Curate Floral, Linda Baker, who is the owner, and Courtney Buman, who is our
strategic business partnership manager.
So today we are going to talk about Curate Florals, which is a to the trade only exclusive floral studio that is going to help you make your projects just that much better. It's really, truly the icing on the cake. So Linda, can you tell us a little bit about how you started Curate Floral, kind of the origins?
Sure. I feel like it's a mic, but I feel like it's a powder thing. Yeah, I have a kind of a unique story. I started the floral industry and tree industry back in Houston to the trade only, and it was basically developed as a high-end, very natural looking approach to florals and trees. And so we worked down in the design district of Houston. And also, we were known for really creating beautiful replica florals, trees, plants, that type of thing. So I had a lot of experience with it, and we had done very well. We worked with high-end furniture stores and country clubs and banks and all kinds of things. So when I moved to Dallas in 2004 and opened my firm, I started working in September in Dallas. But when I formed Baker Design Group in 2006, we opened Baker Design Group, which is an interior design firm. And within 2 years, we felt like it was time to bring in the floral aspect because I had so much experience with it. And we also had a lot of jobs that we could use it on. So we brought that in, and since then we have expanded and done a tremendous amount of work and design and collaboration to be what we consider one of the most beautiful floral and plant lines in Dallas and really nationwide. And so it has really exploded in the past, I would say, 10 years.
So I love your product because to me, for a floral to feel organic and be faux is phenomenal, and you do it so well.
Thank you.
You're
I
welcome.
appreciate that. We really shop for the most beautiful replica plants and florals that we can source. We are very picky about what we bring in because of the longevity of how long I've been in the business for the floral portion of it. We just have been able to source excellent vendors, and we have a beautiful interior design floral designer and team that does exquisite work.
Yes, they really do. I mean, that is their heart and passion. You can feel it when you see the work.
Right.
It's wonderful.
It is.
So, Linda, how do you like to work with designers? Does a designer need to come in with everything ready to go, with their inspiration, or can you work with them just when they don't know anything?
I'm going to give my little spiel on that and then let Courtney talk about it as well, because Courtney's been in the industry for years, as y'all know, and brings another level of service to the industry that I would say has been incredibly beneficial to us, but mainly to the interior design team. We offer extensive consultations with a designer. We have an inordinate amount of containers, plant materials, tree materials, and a huge floral section that clients can pick from. We also have an extensive showroom that you can literally pick up anything that you want immediately, and we keep it pretty stocked. But I'm going to let Courtney talk to you a little bit about her experience and how she works with the interior designers.
Yes, so joining Curate officially this year, Curate to the Trade is where I work with the interior designers and get to just promote our products. And like Linda said, our design team, Libby Mars, her talent that she brings to curating the floral designs that you bring to her, your projects, is just amazing. And so it's just that hidden gem to finish up your projects that I'm excited to bring to you guys. So come use us. The studio is full of florals, ready-made, and we've got over 2,000 stems changing quarterly, out seasonally, I guess I should say, to help make each piece just fresh. I personally have some that look still phenomenal from 5-6 years ago. So, I mean, they're just nothing like it. And the price points are phenomenal for the luxury products and designs that Libby's creating for you. So,
and then Courtney, to piggyback what Joy was asking, what is the best way because you do service the interior design clientele? What are some of the things that you offer to a designer?
Yeah, I'm available anytime. So reach out, text me your projects. We aren't online, but we are on social. So we're trying to streamline and get all of those new designs, just kind of posting and whatnot. So just keep watching us, get that little bell ringing when you see Curate, or because we're posting those designs and tagging you too. So text me your project. We'd love to work off your project and suggest things. If you don't have the time, we're there to help give you ideas. So we're happy to kind of place those pieces together. Just give us your inspiration or come by the studio anytime.
Yeah, and I wanted to say we do have a website. It's curateflorals.com. We don't do purchases through that, but there's a lot of project work on there, including florals, full service. We do a lot of commercial work that we're working on a project right now for ADI. We're doing a beautiful model home outside of South Lake that's going to be over the top amazing, and we're doing all of their florals, trees, and plants. So we're here to help you. We're here to help create the project for you. Sometimes the designer has their own inspiration and they want to be able to take it off from there. I will say Libby is excellent at listening to the client. It's a very simplistic process. And the other thing I would say is that Libby is just very kind and easy to work with, no drama, which is kind of nice. And there's just so much to see and so much to accessorize the finality of your project. Even if you're simplistic in your designs, even one or two arrangements can really set off your room. And I will say our tree product is incredible. So there's so much to see. And so we do encourage you to come by. You can set up an appointment. Somebody's there all the time. But if you would like to set up an appointment to see the showroom or to speak about a project, we love that.
So one of the things that I love about Curate Floral, not only do they have an amazing website and opportunity to work directly with Courtney, they have a great lookbook so you can take your time and peruse some of the amazing products that they carry online. So Linda, can you kind of show us this lookbook and tell us more?
The lookbook, it contains a tremendous amount of floral installations as well as plants, moss walls, our Christmas, which we didn't even touch on our Christmas. Mm-hmm. Christmas is a huge part of our business. We're considered one of the leading Christmas companies in the nation now.
Yes, you are. That's amazing.
We've won the last 5 years first place nationally for our Christmas designs. So
exquisite.
They're amazing. So if you get a chance, that's something. If you have that need, we are the ones to help you. Yes. But one of the things we do have our Curate lookbook. We just got it out we got it yesterday afternoon.
Wow, this is brand new.
Brand new. And the This here just shows you some of the plant installations that we've done, tree installations. We also do an extensive amount of UV product for exterior. We work with big firms when they're doing mainly multi-level family, and they're using patios and that type of thing, that they need UV product, which is guaranteed for quite a while. So we do have that. You can see some of the plants that we have. The other thing I wanted to show you is that we do an enormous amount of moss walls. They look very organic, and some of the product is actually preserved, so it is real. So we offer that as well for both commercially and residentially. So the book really gives you quite a bit. It even has a little bit about fall and Christmas in here. We do a ton of fall and Christmas. And we also have all of our trees in the book and many florals that are actually in the location.
I love that you can take any design from transitional, traditional to ultra modern and create something beautiful, amazing. I just think that's such an opportunity for us to use Curate Floral in our design process.
Yes, thank you very much.
Thank you. Okay, so now you have it, Curate Florals. This is the place to go to create the topper of your design, your last layer. A lot of times we have burnout. You won't have burnout because now you have Curate Floral who's got your back. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
Thank you.